Get ready. We're about to dive inside the largest, most high-tech banana leaf factory on Earth.
Incredible. Mind-blowing. This factory isn't just making plates, it's building a greener future, one banana leaf at a time. But before they become plates, it all starts here, with mountains of fresh, vibrant banana leaves.
Every single leaf is carefully inspected upon arrival. Only the best make it through. These aren't just any leaves. They're specially selected for their size, strength, and flawless quality. Perfect for what's coming next.
First up, a high-pressure, chemical-free wash. Every speck of dust and dirt is removed, ensuring ultimate hygiene for your future plate.
Then, into the gentle drying chambers. No harsh heat, just perfectly controlled airflow to prepare.
Quality control is everything here. Even after washing and drying, human eyes ensure every leaf meets their incredibly strict standards.
This seamless journey from farm to factory floor is just the beginning. These leaves are about to undergo.
Every single leaf is laser scanned. This cutting-edge tech detects even the tiniest flaw, making sure only perfect material moves forward.
Here's where the magic begins. Precision robotic cutters effortlessly stamp out the perfect plate shapes from the massive leaves.
Look at that. Flawless, uniform circles. Absolutely zero waste is tolerated in this eco-friendly operation.
Now, the crucial step, high-pressure molding. These colossal machines press and shape the leaves into sturdy, elegant plates.
In just seconds, raw leaf transforms into a fully functional, beautiful plate.
Miles of plates, all moving in perfect harmony. This conveyor belt is a river of green.
Every single press is monitored in real time by AI. Temperature, pressure, timing.
These plates aren't just pretty, they're incredibly strong. No soggy plates here.
And what about the scraps? Zero waste. All trimmings are collected and repurposed, making this factory truly sustainable. Imagine your entire picnic set made from banana leaves. This isn't science fiction. It's their next big project.
Their environmental impact is almost zero. They're proving that large-scale manufacturing can be completely eco-conscious.
But these engineers are masters. They pinpoint the problem in seconds, ensuring minimal downtime.
Crisis averted. Back online. The relentless pace of production continues without missing a beat. Behind every amazing machine are amazing people. They work incredibly hard to make this all happen.
Every inch of this factory is kept spotless. Cleanliness is paramount for food-grade products.
They're experimenting with new products, biodegradable packaging, eco-friendly films, even building materials.
Did you know they recycle every drop of water used in the cleaning process? Nothing goes to waste here.
After pressing, the plates need a final, deep dry. This special chamber ensures every plate. It's a delicate balance. Too much heat and they warp, too little and they're not fully cured. Precision is key.
Straight out of drying and into the sterilization tunnel. High-intensity UVC light ensures every plate is 100% germ-free.
This isn't just clean, it's hospital-grade sterile. You could literally eat off these plates right now.
The final human touch. Even with all the tech, trained eyes do one last meticulous check for any tiny imperfection.
But wait, there's more. Robotic vision systems perform hundreds of checks per second, catching anything the human eye might miss. They make everything from tiny appetizer plates to massive platters. Whatever you need, they've got it. Look at the uniformity. Every single plate is a masterpiece of eco-friendly engineering.
They're perfect, ready to be stacked, packed, and shipped all over the world. This level of dedication to quality is insane. It's why they're the best in the business, hands down.
Every batch is tracked digitally. From raw leaf to finished plate, they know exactly what's happening.
This entire floor is a symphony of efficiency. Dozens of presses working in perfect unison.
Now, the mesmerizing ballet of stacking. These robots can stack thousands of plates with flawless precision.
And just like that, they're sealed for freshness and protection. Every package is airtight and ready for its journey.
Into the boxes they go. Each box is designed to protect the plates during transit, ensuring they arrive perfect.
Fully automated sealing and labeling. No human touch required, just pure robotic efficiency.
These boxes are then whisked away to the immense warehouse, ready to be dispatched globally.
This warehouse is a city in itself, fully automated, with AI-driven robots organizing every single box.
Logistics are insane. They manage thousands of orders simultaneously, all tracked by an advanced AI system.
And finally, the loading. Trucks are filled in minutes, ready to transport these eco-friendly plates worldwide.
Every single person here plays a vital role in this incredible operation. They truly believe in what they do.
From a simple leaf to a global product, this factory is a testament to innovation and sustainability.
Imagine this, your favorite meal, served on a plate that literally grows on trees. No plastic, no pollution, just pure nature.
From family picnics to massive events, these plates are perfect for every occasion, adding a natural, elegant touch.
From the earth to the factory and back to the earth, It's a perfect, sustainable cycle that protects our planet.